Hi, bankruptcy attorney Brian Barboza, and today I'm going to discuss, will a bankruptcy eliminate that auto repossession debt that you may have incurred? Before we get started, if bankruptcy is something you want to explore or you want to talk more about, please feel free to give me a call or go to my website, barbozalaw.com, book an appointment to speak with me for free directly through the website. Okay, so by filing bankruptcy, will that eliminate a debt that you incurred by way of an auto repossession? So what happens with an auto repossession is whether or not they come and take the car because you've defaulted on payments, or you go down and you surrender the car back to the lender, both are basically repossessions, okay? And what will happen is that lender will sell the car, usually at auction, so they're going to get a lot less for the car than what you probably owe on it. And what will happen is you are going to owe the difference. So if you owed $10,000 when you gave the car back or when it was repossessed and they sold it at auction for $4,000, that means you're going to owe $6,000. Plus you're going to probably owe their attorney's fees, you're going to probably owe tow yard fees, things like that. So, and possibly interest. What will happen is if you can't pay that, eventually they're going to probably sue you and they're going to get a money judgment for the amount that you owe. And then they're going to enforce that judgment, okay? They're going to enforce it by wage garnishments, bank levies, things like that. Well, if you were to file bankruptcy, that is a type of debt. Auto repossession is what we call a general unsecured creditor, and that type of debt is dischargeable in a bankruptcy case. So the short answer is yes, if you were to file bankruptcy and you had an auto repossession debt, that debt should be dischargeable in your bankruptcy case. However, bankruptcy is complicated. You really should be talking to a professional about what kind of bankruptcy works for you, what are some of the pitfalls, what you may be eligible for or not. So, but the short is yes, you can discharge an auto repossession debt in a bankruptcy case. So if bankruptcy is something that you want to talk more about and you want to explore your options, please feel free to give me a call or go to my website, barbozalaw.com. You can book an appointment to speak with me for free directly through the website. So as always, I hope this video was helpful. I hope you got something out of it, and have a good rest of your day. Take care. Bye.